Oh, hi. I didn't see you guys there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to those of you who are new. I am the Malagasy musician, and today I'll be showing you guys an exercise I do on the first string on the guitar. Basically, before I start playing any songs, I like to warm up on the string that I'm working with. So right now I'm working on the first string. So there are 3 notes: E, F, G. So today I'll be showing you how I practice. I like to go up and down. I also like to do a skip. I just like to do random combinations throughout. So I have this packet from my guitar teacher, and it's with songs that are on the first string only. This is the first song. It's called Back and Forth. So basically, it's right in the title of the name. We're going back and forth. So first you start with open, and then 1, open, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, open, 1, open, 1, open, 2, 3, 4. Now that's the first one. The second one is called Single String Thing. I don't know. I'll play for you guys. Two, 3, 4. I don't know what to say, but this is how it goes. You go open, open, 3, 3, 1, open, 1, open, 3, 1, 3, 1, open. Well, that's all for today. Next week I'll be doing the second string, and I'll be showing you guys how I do little exercises on it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And stay tuned for more. And don't forget, posting my cover tomorrow of Can't Help Falling in Love. This is the first time I said the song I'm doing ahead of time, so be prepared. Bye!